I just got home from getting a really painful laser hair removal treatment on my neck, sides of my cheeks, and my chin. It's like my 9th treatment, and when I say it's painful,
it's painful.
Today we're skipping the makeup, and I thought I would do a fun little PR unboxing, like a what I get in PR this week kind of vibe, because a lot of people seem to like that thing, and I don't really do that often on YouTube, if not at all. I don't think I ever have, just because I don't really like to. If you guys want to see what I got in PR this week, keep watching. So I have plenty of goodies for you guys. First and foremost, when I get PR, 95% of it just goes in my giveaway bins or my extras bins, and I just give it back to my community and the people that follow me on my social media, because realistically, no individual person, let alone a creator, needs unlimited free makeup. So why keep it just sitting around going to waste? I'd rather just give it back to people who are going to use it, and I like to make people's days a little bit brighter. And most of these products, I'm not going to actually take them out of like their actual boxes and like really open them up, because I don't want to like contaminate any products before I send it to people, obviously. For starters, we have 2 new setting powders from Gerard Cosmetics. These are their Slay the Bake setting powders. We have 2 different shades. We have a pink over here, and we have more of a vanilla right here. I'm definitely going to gear more towards the pink, just because a lot of people are doing the whole pink under eye moment, which essentially is just color correcting your under eyes. But I've never done an actual pink powder, so I'm definitely going to try this. So I'm going to keep this one for myself. I'll probably give this one away. Next up from Lancome, we have a new mascara. This is their Lash Idol. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it's a new mascara. I am going to be keeping this because I am starting a new mascara series on TikTok and here on YouTube. So this is going to be great for that. That's a weird wand. Next up, we have the One Size Beauty Cheek Clapper Blush Trio. I'm actually really excited about this because I've really been getting into blush a lot more lately. That's absolutely gorgeous. I'm really excited about this. From Cody Cosmetics, we have a bunch of eyebrow pencils. Now, most of these I'm going to give away because they're shades that are not mine, like black, auburn, blonde. I'll keep dark brown, and I'll keep chocolate brown. The rest are going in the bin. We have another mascara. This one's from Benefit Cosmetics. This is the They're Real mascara. Packaging is kind of neat. Definitely different than what I'm used to seeing from brands. Okay, just have a regular straight wand. One thing about me is I love skincare so much, especially when it comes to sugar scrubs. Lottie London sent over a ton of different colored and flavored lip scrubs. These are sugar scrubs. We have Just Juicy, we have Minted, Cherry Kiss. Definitely gonna wanna try this one first. And then we also have Mango Sorbet and Totally Cocoa. I have doubles of all of those, so I'm gonna keep one set for me and I'll give one set to y'all. Next, we have a box from Peace Out. I've never heard of this company before. These are apparently acne patches. Comes with some cute little stickers that I'll never use. We have a retinol face stick, which I am gonna definitely use this because retinol is my BFF. Definitely excited about that. It has 3% encapsulated retinol with a fruit enzyme blend and a vitamin C. Cute. And then we also have the Peace Out Acne Day Dots. So there are 20 sheer acne healing dots encapsulated with salicylic acid, retinol, and aloe vera. That combo is great because the salicylic acid is really gonna help break down that acne and the active breakouts and help to reduce them in the size, and especially if they're painful, it's gonna help take that away faster. The retinol is gonna help overall heal your skin and just give you that beautiful, nice glow that we all want. And the aloe vera is great for calming the skin. Now on the back, it's super cool because not only does it treat your blemishes, but you can wear them with makeup. So you can literally just put a dot on a face. So you can literally put one of the dots like on that bad boy right there and then cover it up with makeup. Even in the picture it shows before with day dot plus makeup, and then after like you can't see it. So I definitely want to try that out and see if it actually can conceal. But I also want to see how it looks on camera versus what it actually looks like in person, because it may look good in photos or on camera, but like in person, are you going to see it? I'll find out. Next, we have a package from Kiehl's. Side note, I'm going to be working on a skincare serum campaign for them, so I'm very excited because I love the brand. Okay, we have some goodies inside. This is definitely more Valentine's Day vibe, so we're a little late on that, but it is what it is. So we have an original musk oil. I'm definitely interested to see how that smells. I don't like a lot of different fragrances when it comes to colognes and whatnot. We have a butter mask for your lips, which love that. I use a lip mask all the time. We have a creme de corps, so that means body cream, I believe. Yeah, it's a superb all over body moisturizer. It looks like it would smell kind of weird. I can't smell it. I'll smell it later. And then we have some candy, which I'm not allowed to eat, but guess what? I'm gonna eat it anyway. They're little conversation hearts. That's super cute. Next, we have a box from L'Oreal. This is a True Match PR box. Unbox your one and only True Match. Cute. I really love boxes like that because they always have like educational information inside, and I think that's super helpful and nice. It has a new skin matching technology. So for the first time, it's formulated with up to 6 pigments for our most precise match. Super important. Love that so much. So we have 3 different shades here for me. One of these have to match me. They're all neutral light, but I have 0.05, 1, and 2. One of these is gonna be good to go. So I'm definitely gonna do a full review on that because I wanna see how it looks on the skin, how it feels, and how it wears. So if you want to see that, it'll be coming soon. Alrighty, next we have a box from Profusion. Profusion always sends a good amount of products, so there's a lot of stuff in here. So let's quickly go through it. Meta Lashes, No Budge Eyeshadow Primer, Superstitious Eye Primer Duo. That's such a cute little package. We have 2 Glitter Brow Gel and Hollow Gem Duos. Interesting. We have 3 Techno Liners. These are gel liners. We have a Juicy Lip Tint. This is in the shade Blissful Berry. We have some multi-chrome shifting pigments. That looks so cool. Metachrome 25 shade palette. This is so beautiful. These are the smallest eyeshadow pans I've ever seen in my life, but there is a good variety of colors. They definitely are all cohesive. And that in the middle, that shimmer, it's called Out of This Realm. That's amazing. I might have to do a look with this. I'm gonna keep several of these products, but the rest, they're going in the bin. And last but not least, we have a box from Real Techniques. We have a dual-ended brow brush, brow styling set, a brow shaping set. We have the Glassy Glow foundation brush, and the color of that is insane. Can't wait to use it. We have the Surreal Sheen powder brush. That color is next level. I love colorful products if you haven't gotten that yet. We have the Glazed Days face set. I'm probably gonna give this away. And we have the So Jelly eye set. You also giving this away. We have some sponges. This is the Dewy Dose sponge set. This is the #1 makeup sponge, allegedly. And last but not least, we have the disposable dual-ended spoolies. There are 15 spoolies in here. That's amazing. But I'm also gonna give this away. And that's what I got in PR this week. You know, as a creator, receiving PR makes my job so much easier because 1, I don't have to spend money to go get products to create content. With that being said, like I previously mentioned, you know, a lot of creators get much more than they need, much more than they'll ever need. So for me specifically, can't speak on other people, but for me specifically, I love to give away 3/4 minimum of my PR because I don't need it sitting around, and I'd rather just give it to someone else who's gonna use it and something for people to look forward to and enjoy. And it's just a great way for me to give back to my followers. So that being said, if you happen to be one of the brands that sent me products in this video, thank you so much for your continued support. Again, it makes my life as a content creator so much easier, and I greatly, greatly appreciate it. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching today's PR unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.